Hello tennis fans and welcome to your tennis coach. I'm Yannis and today I will analyze you the 5 benefits of holding a relaxed grip. Let's get started. A relaxed grip allows for better racket head speed, leading to more powerful shots. A looser grip improves sensitivity, crucial for executing delicate shots with accuracy. Before we jump to point 3, ensure that you're not going to miss the next video by subscribing to this channel. A relaxed grip reduces strain on the forearm, wrist and elbow, lowering the risk of injuries. It enables quick and natural adjustments for natural strokes. A relaxed grip provides better control, leading to more consistent shots. In a scale of 1 to 10, how relaxed is your grip? Comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time on the court.